Hi, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Roy. I'm inviting you to our next webinar, and thank you so much for joining us on the last webinar and all of your great feedback. It was a great success, and so wonderful for me to be able to share with you what I know about platelet-rich plasma. So the next webinar is going to be about training, where to get your training, who to get your training from, what it is that happens in the training that I offer and that some of my colleagues offer. If you go to join.studioprp.com, you can learn a little bit about the training that I offer and some of my colleagues around the country offer. You can also watch the last webinar if you did miss it. But we're going to talk about group training and private trainings. I'm heading off to Bermuda next week to train a group of physicians there. Regional trainings, we can organize trainings if you want to be the host provider and invite other providers in. That can be a great option because you don't have to travel so far from your practice. The host provider gets to treat their own patients and actually even collect some of the revenue. We're going to talk about return on investment and what is the cost to get into this space and to have this platelet-rich plasma technology at your practice. It is surprisingly easy to do. The cost of entry is low, even when you buy the best equipment, which we will talk about and we talked about in the last webinar. So join me. I think it's going to be helpful. We're going to also cover some issues about implementation and how to do a patient seminar and what do we do to drive patients to our practice. These are such great procedures because people want them. They're effective. They're safe. It's exciting. You're going to want to add this to your practice. And so I want to help you decide how best to do that. So please join me and thank you so much. We'll see you soon.